Ever wonder why cryptography tools are essential in our ever-digital world? As we navigate the digital age, our reliance on digital systems and online platforms is growing at an exponential rate. With this reliance comes an increasing need for data protection and privacy. Our personal and professional lives are intertwined with digital data, making us vulnerable to data breaches. This is where cryptography tools come to our rescue. Cryptography tools play a crucial role in securing our digital lives. They use complex mathematical algorithms to encrypt our data, turning readable information into an unreadable format. This ensures that our sensitive data remains confidential, and even if it falls into the wrong hands, it can't be deciphered without the correct cryptographic key. These tools help maintain our privacy, protect our personal information, and secure our online transactions. They are the invisible shields that protect us from the prying eyes of the digital world. To understand more, we'll delve into some popular cryptography tools and how to use them. You may be wondering, what are these cryptography tools? Well, let's dive right in and demystify these digital safeguards. Cryptography tools are software applications that use different encryption methods to secure data. In layman's terms, they convert readable data into a format that is unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the key to decrypt it. Imagine having a secret language that only you and your friend understand. In the digital world, cryptography tools are that secret language. Now, you might be familiar with some popular cryptography tools. Let's take Pretty Good Privacy, or PGP for short, as an example. PGP is widely used for signing, encrypting, and decrypting texts, emails, files, directories, and even whole disk partitions to increase the security of email communications. It uses a combination of data compression, hashing, and public key cryptography to protect your information. Another example is VeraCrypt. This is a free, open-source utility used for on-the-fly encryption. It can create a virtual encrypted disk within a file, or encrypt a partition, or the entire storage device. Just like a secret vault in your computer that no one can access without the right key. Then there's Tor, short for the Onion Router. Tor is a network of servers that helps protect your personal privacy and defend against network surveillance. It directs internet traffic through a free, worldwide, volunteer overlay network with more than 7,000 relays to conceal a user's location and usage. Think of it as a maze, where your data is the runner and any prying eyes are left lost and confused. These tools, along with many others, operate by using complex mathematical algorithms to scramble data into unreadable text. This ensures that your data is secure, whether it's stored on your device or in transit over the internet. So there you have it. Cryptography tools are your digital bodyguards, always on duty, protecting your data from prying eyes. They are the unsung heroes of the digital world, maintaining order and security amidst the chaos of the digital universe. Now that we have an understanding of what cryptography tools are, let's learn how to use them. Pretty Good Privacy, or PGP, is a widely used tool. Here's how to use it. First things first, install the software. You can find PGP software like GNU-PG or OpenPGP readily available online. Once installed, the next step is to generate your key pair. This pair consists of a public key, which others use to encrypt messages to you, and a private key, which you use to decrypt these messages. Now let's encrypt a message. You'll need the recipient's public key for this. Simply input the message and the public key into the PGP software, and voila! Your message is now in an encrypted format that only the intended recipient can decipher. Decrypting a message is just as straightforward. Just input the encrypted message and your private key into the PGP software, and it will reveal the original message. Remember, never share your private key with anyone. With these steps, you can now encrypt and decrypt messages using PGP. VeraCrypt is another popular tool. Interested in learning how to use it? Let's get started. First things first, we need to install the software. Head over to the official VeraCrypt website and download the correct version for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install. Now that we've got VeraCrypt installed, let's create a volume. A volume is essentially a secure place where you'll store your encrypted files. To create a volume, click Create Volume in the main VeraCrypt window. You'll be guided through a series of steps to set up your volume, including choosing its size, location, and encryption settings. Remember, the password you set here is crucial. Lose it and you lose access to your files. Next, we need to mount the volume. This is like opening a safe. making the encrypted files accessible. Select your volume from the list and click Mount. Enter your password when prompted. Now you can transfer files to your mounted volume just like you would with any ordinary folder or drive. The difference is, once you're done and dismount the volume, those files become securely encrypted. To dismount, simply select the volume and click Dismount. Your files are now locked away, safe and secure, and that's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to use VeraCrypt to secure your files. We've covered quite a bit today, so let's quickly recap. We began our journey with the understanding that in this digital age, cryptography tools hold paramount importance. They're not just for tech enthusiasts or cybersecurity professionals. These tools are for everyone who values their privacy and data security. We dove into the world of pretty good privacy, or PGP, and explored its basics. We learned that PGP is a data encryption and decryption program that provides cryptographic privacy and authentication for data communication. It can be used for signing, encrypting, and decrypting texts, emails, files, and more, ensuring your data remains confidential and unaltered. Next, we ventured into the realm of VeraCrypt, a powerful disk encryption software. It can create a virtual encrypted disk within a file, or encrypt a partition, or the entire storage device. We learned how to use it to protect sensitive data, keeping it safe from unauthorized access. But knowledge isn't power until it's applied. So we also walked through how to use these tools, PGP and VeraCrypt, to enhance your digital security. These practical steps can make a world of difference in your online life. Remember, in this digital age, knowing how to use cryptography tools can be your first line of defense in maintaining privacy and data security.